Storm Tracker 7 weather is sponsored by Brian Longcar and Associates, your forecast for success.
Well, good Monday afternoon, East Texas. We've got a flash flood to watch out for a large portion of the region, and that goes through late tonight due to an additional 1 to 3 inches on top of the 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. Many areas have already racked up over this rainfall event since Sunday. It's been a very nice, good soaker, and that flash flood watch is in effect because some of the low-lying areas prone to flooding could see that water start piling up, and without any good runoff, well, you start to see that building up and you get some of that low-lying flooding. So keep an eye on that and be alert for that later on today. Now, look at Storm Tracker Live. Doppler radar has been busy really since yesterday morning, and it continues to be. This thing has just been inundated with rainfall for the past 24 hours, and it's not anything different today. In fact, we've got a little line of moderate to heavy rainfall here with the warm front that's beginning to lift north through East Texas, now about to cross the I-20 corridor. So get ready for a good surge of moderate to heavy rainfall, even some wind with that. And then look at this, more moderate to heavy rainfall on the way up from the south. On the I-30 corridor, you're dealing with that light to moderate rainfall from Greenville over to Sulphur Springs and Mount Pleasant. So traveling along 30, you can expect a wet commute. The same trend can hold true for you if you're going to be heading down the I-20 corridor. Here comes that little band of moderate to heavy rain with that warm front now crossing up from Longview, about to move just into Smith County now from the south, and then this stretches back to just south and west of Athens. There's some moderate to heavy rain. So get ready for a pretty good downpour as that moves across the area. And then our friends in Deep East Texas have definitely been seeing some pretty good rain, although starting to see a little bit of a break at this time here. As you can see here, some breaks taking place right up into towards Zavala now, and more scattered shower activity to the west. But notice more heavier rain building back to our south and west here. We're going to take you all the way out here as I show you what's going on. Why are we seeing all this rainfall? Well, it's thanks to what we call the Pineapple Express, and we call it that because it originates all the way out here towards Hawaii. Look at the moisture train. It's like a train track of moisture that just shoots straight across the Pacific Ocean, right on down into old Mexico, and shoots straight up into East Texas. And that's what's bringing us all that rain. In fact, we'll take you in a little closer, and you can see that moisture train moving straight out of the south. And look at Texas right now, East Texas for sure, just socked in with the rain, and we've got more heavy rain to go. We'll stay in this pattern until this low pressure here, this upper low, clears the area late tonight, and that will begin to clear us out of the rainfall. But Precision Cast showing you light to moderate rainfall continuing through the afternoon. Temperatures are not going to warm much, probably staying in the lower 50s with the rain out here, and then it begins to clear out of here by late tonight. The rain starts to diminish. A few showers possible tomorrow morning. Otherwise, look for mainly clouds on your Tuesday, but highs climbing back into the lower 60s. So overall, between now and late tonight, we could see an additional 1 to 3 inches of rainfall on top of what we've already seen in some areas. Outside now, it's a cloudy, dreary-looking picture out there. Temperature of around 50 degrees, but that 100% humidity sticking around. Temperatures very uniform in the upper 40s and 50s. Notice the 50s in the south as that warm front moves in. So rain very likely today, about 100% chance, coming to an end by tomorrow morning. And then, Jennifer, the rest of spring break week looking pretty decent out there with a mix of sun and clouds and temperatures in the 60s.
Yeah, I can't wait to get that sunshine back.
Yes, it sounds great.
All right, thanks so much, Cedric. Well.